Kerala, but based in UAE. And I came here for a crash course in digital marketing. And it was one of the finest experiences that I had. We had the most dedicated sirs who wouldn't allow us have any break time initially, but now yes. Anyway, for me, I would say that the whole outlook or my perspective towards the whole social media as well as the web, the online internet, search queries, everything has changed. And I was basically a college lecturer in English and then did an MBA as well. But the whole, for me, this is the best thing I should say is that get into this course, even if it's for 10 days, don't worry, you're going to get the best out of it. Thank you.
Very nice. So how was your experience with e-market education? Though it was like a short period in which you wanted to learn digital marketing, so do you think like whatever was covered in this 10 days would really make you go ahead to do the complete execution to bring up your site in the digital marketing platform?
Yes, very much.
Yes?
Because initially when I started, everyone was like, digital marketing course is such a huge course and you are not going to know anything out of 10 days. That was the way people put it. But for me, everything changed about it. Now
Very nice.
I'm very confident. That is one thing I could always say.
Thank
Even
you.
in my company, I have a small website which I am working on, which I used to only write the content. Now I have the confidence to go and talk to the developers in all the technical terms that I
Very
know
nice.
right now. And
Very
then
nice.
I think I could, even my company, I could bring it on a different level. And I hope people respect me more now.
Very nice. And in digital marketing, what all did you learn?
I had everything, started with the general topics and then PPC and SEO, that was the main, and then some social media types and the tools, which that was something very interesting for me.
Very
Even
good.
though Google or any other search engines had lot of tools in it, this is the first time I knew, okay, we could even check it in this way. For
Very
each
good.
and everything, you can always rely on them.
All right.
That was
And-
something I know. And initially, again, PPC was very scary for me. I used to think, okay, PPC, why do we have to even pay? That was another thought.
Yes.
But now I think I would always opt for that PPC thing.
Very good.
You know, I'm a bit biased towards PPC than SEO.
Thank you. Thank you. And the soft skills training on Excel and everything, was it quite useful for you?
It was useful because basic, I have an Outlook, I know, sorry, not Outlook, Microsoft Office and all, but Excel, you know, the numericals are always tough for me, but now I could do a lot of things in it.
Very
I'm
good.
very happy about it.
Very nice. Thank you. And how did you find the faculties here?
The best. Because not only best, thoda sa strict also.
Okay, very good.
Okay. But it was really good for me, and even the timing was specific, and it was not like, okay, only 10 days, just finish it off. That was not the way. I could always mention Ranjan sir at first. He took real lot of care, basically individual care in even small minute questions that we asked. He made sure that it was cleared, and now I am what I am after lot of knowledge.
Congratulations for completing the digital marketing
So thanks a lot.
successfully. And to share my opinion, or you can say to share my thoughts about her, though we met for the first time through this course, I found her very interesting. She's a very, you can say, a very mixing nature type person who can gel with anyone. She would never make anyone feel like a stranger. That is one of the best quality about her. That is the first thing. Because sometimes being in marketing, you have to learn all those things. You have to make people comfortable. That is the first thing. Second thing, I think because you are very good in your academic thing like literature and everything, and you have that grasping power, so you are able to grasp the thing very fast. Otherwise, completing in 2 weeks' time this digital marketing course would not have been possible.
It was because of him. So more than the grasping, he made sure I grasped everything.
So I would say that was one. That is the next.
And one more thing, special mention to Sunil sir and JP sir also,
Yes.
who was the guest who taught me initially.
Sure. Yes, I think all our faculties would always try to make you people learn the best, and they had also put their own efforts. coming in their own schedules and trying to make you learn within a short period of time. The third very best thing about her was she was dedicating her time. Though we were training her for close to like 8 hours, or let's say sometimes like 9 hours and all, she was able to sit in the chair continuously for all these hours, learning, trying to make sure that she's learning. Though she could have really spent time taking excuses to go back somewhere and do some sort of other activities while she's here in Bangalore, but she really dedicated all these 14 days to learn the best of digital marketing. Thank you. I'm sure that you have learned the best because based on the assignments, based on the talks, based on the discussion what you made, you are able to grasp it. Hopefully, you will go back, you will do the best for your company too. Now you have your
I'm
own
going to
blog.
implement all these things,
Yes.
what I know.
So you have your own blog,
Yeah.
you have your company website, you have a skill right now, you have an expertise. Hopefully with all those things you should be able to take up more traffic, or you can say take up more higher ranking for yourself, for your company size and all. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes. So all the best for that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now,
Yeah.
bringing our Photoshop faculty here.
Yes.
Okay, I just want to add few of the things, please. Google, Adobe Photoshop course that you had.
Yes. Because for me, I never knew even from scratch. I had to start with Photoshop because I didn't know anything, and whatever I did was only on my PowerPoints.
Okay.
So even I could do anything on PowerPoint because I had no knowledge about Photoshop. And in this few days, it was Mr. Rajshekhar sir who just helped me out. And he is a person who is very complacent, very cool nature and very friendly. So he had helped me out correctly, and I did a lot of work and made him happy, I guess. Hopefully I was a good
I
student.
especially like that
Apple with the eye.
eyes and everything. Very good. And yeah, for the first time we have done this Photoshop course.
So I inaugurated the Photoshop.
Yes. So basically, based on your request only, we made sure that okay, let's start with it. Let's give it a try now. And I think that was done really good by our faculty Rashid. And based on the assignment and based on the test that you have given and what the output has come, I think you have done a very good job. Again in Photoshopping.
Yes.
Okay. So I like it. I like the Apple very much. I could see. Basically, it was more taking me to the feeling of.
That was the best thing about it. If I can't enjoy, I wouldn't have studied well. So because then it was like it should have been something like very forceful, but no, it was complete enjoyment, but lot of knowledge.
Very good. So thank you,
Thanks
Gina,
a
for
lot.
giving us this opportunity.
Thank you.
All the best. Do well in digital marketing, and if you need any other support, we are always there. Okay. Thank you very much.